Good evening, Prof. My name is Musa Sunday Abiola. I am working on my assignment, and the topic we are looking into in this research proposal is an explorative study on building resilience in informal market structures through fire safety interventions, a multi-dimensional pathway to advancing SDGs 1, 8, 11, and 13 in Kano, Nigeria. My registration number is 24509 SDS 309. By way of introduction, it is important to know that the informal market structures are very vital to the economic landscape of developing nations, especially in Nigeria, where they provide employment and livelihood to millions. They are constantly plagued with fires, and this is as a result of poor planning of these marketplaces, lack of fire safety infrastructure, and weak regulatory frameworks. This research proposal outlines an explorative study that seeks to examine the intersection between fire safety interventions and resilient building in informal markets in Kano, Nigeria. The informal market operates outside the official recognition but remain integral to urban economies. According to the National Bureau of Statistics in 2020, the informal market accounts for about 60% of total employment and serves as a lifeline for many urban residents. Also, according to NEMA report, from 2015 to 2022, Nigeria has recorded over 300 fire incidents in major markets, with Kano, Lagos, and Onitsha as hot spots. In Kano alone, the Sabongeri and Kurmi markets have suffered repeated infernos, leading to losses worth billions of naira. And in today's context, with the devaluation of naira, this can be said to be worth several trillions of naira. The National Fire Safety Code, which is developed by the Federal Fire Service, is there to regulate fire occurrences or fire safety. However, the enforcement is weak. Most local governments lack the capacity, political will, or resources to implement safety audits, training programs, or market redevelopment schemes. NGOs such as Nigerian Red Cross and private initiatives have made efforts, even including the Federal Fire Service and State Fire Service, in awareness campaign, but these remain isolated and unsustained. The proposal objectives. The main aim of this research is to explore how fire safety intervention can build resilience in informal market structures and contribute to the advancement of Sustainable Development Goals 1, 8, 11, and 13 in Kano State, Nigeria. The specific objectives include to examine the existing fire safety practices and infrastructure in informal markets in Kano State, to assess the socioeconomic impact of fire outbreaks on traders and market communities, to evaluate the policy and institutional framework governing fire safety in informal economic setting, to propose a multidimensional strategy for enhancing resilience through fire safety interventions aligned with SDGs. The methodology. This study will utilize a mixed method approach. The mixed method approach includes qualitative surveys such as interviews, focus group discussion, and policy analysis, and quantitative surveys, which include use of mathematical tools to analyze relationships between several data that will be generated while carrying out this work. The expected outcome. This study is expected to provide a detailed mapping of fire safety practices. This study will reveal an empirical assessment of current fire safety practices and infrastructure in informal markets, revealing patterns of compliance, gaps, and areas of vulnerability. It is also expected to show socio-economic impact analysis. It is expected that from this study, awareness and preparedness evaluation will be done. It is also expected that there will be institutional and policy review. That is, a critical assessment of existing fire safety policies and their implementation status will be conducted, identifying opportunities and gaps in governance frameworks. Also, there will be development of a resilient framework, and also it will help us to provide linkages between fire safety and the SDGs, as well as even the marketplace. Also, it will help us to localize the sustainable development goals with focus on goal 1, which is no poverty, goal 8, decent work, goal 11, sustainable cities and communities, goal 13, on climate action. The timeline. It is expected that this research will take 10 months. The milestones will be divided accordingly. From month 1, we expect that there will be ethical approval and initial stakeholder consultation, and we expect that subsequently we carry out or complete data collection by month 4, and also the major work or meat of this work will carry on from month 6 to month 10, and we expected by the end of month 10 that this project will be ready and for dissemination, publication, and final reporting. The impact of this study. The impact of this study will be seen from the lens of both the academic world and the practical aspect, as it is meant to produce a holistic approach or promote a holistic approach to disaster risk reduction in urban informal economics. In the academic aspect, it bridges critical gaps in literature by linking fire safety, informal market resilience, and sustainable development in an integrated framework. Practically, the findings will inform stakeholders, which include policymakers, market union, the non-governmental organizations, and disaster management agencies on how to design, implement fire safety measures that enhance market resilience. By using Kano, which is a major commercial hub in Nigeria, the study insight can be replicated in similar urban contexts across the country and sub-Saharan Africa. Moreover, the study contributes directly to the discourse on localization of SDGs in informal economies, offering strategic entry points for the advancing development goals from the bottom-up approach. In conclusion, the future implications of this study include the potential for expanded comparative research in other Nigeria or West African cities, the development of community-based resilience, and the advancement of participatory governance. In sum, the proposed research offers a timely and critical exploration of how targeted safety planning in informal economic space can catalyze broader social and developmental transformation. Thank you very much for listening. For questions or further inquiries, I can be contacted through musasundayabiyola@gmail.com or my phone number showing there. Thank you very much, sir.